What's up, Messi? How you doing, brother? Long time no talk, everybody. Been very busy. This market's been a little wild, hasn't it? Frank, how you doing, man? Not bad. How are you? I'm doing good, man. I'm just a little tired, but I'm good. I'm good. Looks like we might try to pop back to the upside here. What y'all think? Bouncing off VWAP. Let's take this is an eval, so ignore the size. I'm just trying to hurry up and pass it. I've been doing this in my truck, actually, passing a bunch of accounts. Good, Frank. Glad you're doing well. This eval is actually down 408. I was up like 1,000 something. I just need like another 1,800. What's up, Cave? How you doing, brother? I finally got my payout from Top Step, by the way, and I regret taking it. As soon as I took it, that day I regretted it. Shouldn't have done it. Should have stuck to what I like to do. For me. How many PA accounts do you have active? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PAs right now. 5 PAs. I just activated a few more today. I'm going to try to get this My Funded Futures. It keeps charging me every month, so I'm just going to let it run. Why? Because I blew the account. Anyway, I blew the account. I only had like, after I took the payout, like a few $100 in drawdown left, and I didn't realize it started you at 0. Like, as soon as you took your payment, it brings you to 0, and that's it. So once I hit $0, I took some riskier trades that I shouldn't have taken, but they were good setups, so I took them. But I figured I had at least $500 left. You know what I mean? So if I'd have known that, I wouldn't have traded I would have traded micros instead of minis on that trade. But it was a good trade, regardless if I won, because the trade actually went in my favor. It just kind of wicked me out, and I only had like I think it was like $75 in there. So I just like hit a trade, and as soon as I hit the trade, got the big flash on the screen. Get that next payout, man. You got it. Got plenty of PAs. Oh, yeah. I'll get another payout ASAP. But I'm going to continue to build my buffers like I planned. So that's all I need to do. Build buffer. And then I can take my trades. This is just an eval that I'm trading right now, so don't be alarmed. Just taking the risk to the upside, kind of back and forth here, so why not? My 3 other PAs or Top Step accounts, these are evals. They're doing pretty good. We're at 885, so hopefully have those pass here soon. I'm not gonna lie, I've been liking Top Step. I got a buffer of 4,500 on the 50K right now. Heck yeah, man. I just need to hit 5,200 to meet the 30% rule to get paid. Nice. You'll get there. Is your Apex still 90? No, it's 80 right now, but feel free to use it. 80 is better than 50. The 80% ends pretty soon. I think like 10 days or so. Let me just look. Apex. 10 days, 2 hours, 31 minutes. So I just got a bunch of new Apex accounts, but they're not showing. For some reason, a lot of my Apex, only 3 of my evals are showing, and 1, 2, 3, 4 PAs. Here, I'll move this so you can see. This is all that's showing. 4 PAs and 3 evals, but I have 5 PAs and probably 20 evals. Not sure why it's not showing, but whatever. About 5 accounts using your code. Thanks, man. Yeah, I think I saw that. Let's see. Affiliate statistics. I don't get a lot of affiliate income. Here are my stats. Yeah, you did buy 5 in August. 5, and it made me $33 at no extra charge to you, which is really cool. If I can get this out of the way now. So I appreciate that. I'm actually trying to say, I'm going to save all this. I don't know if they'll let me just let it build up, but I'm going to save it and just give it back to you guys. So Chris Peters, I blew Evo on the 4th day, got caught up in the dollar volatility. Man, what's up, Paul? Didn't see you there, bud. Well, I appreciate your support, Massey. Seriously. Gonna give it all back. Luckily, I do well financially outside of trading and affiliate stuff. And well, we had a beautiful cross there. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. Guys, have you seen all the craziness going on in the world lately? Oh my jeez. Now's the time to get your heart right with God, for sure. Alright, maybe we can pass this eval here if we can get up into this target here. I feel like I can. Let me just check my funded. What's the consistency rule on my funded futures? Does anyone know? Because I don't. I have the I have 2 accounts, didn't even realize it. I guess I don't even know what accounts I have. Let me just start a challenge and see. I have the 50K something. I have the scale 50K, so consistency rule 50%. Okay, yeah, we can pass this today. If the market gives it to us. So how's everyone doing? It's been a minute, it feels like. I almost went live last night, but I've just been so tired with what I have going on. Didn't get to it. But I thoroughly enjoy hanging out with you guys, for sure. Bill Knox is back to 80. Bill Knox. I haven't bought any more Bill Knox. I need to focus on what I have right now. I keep buying accounts and then I just let them sit and then I get charged again for all 50 of them. I don't know how many, but usually I have around 20 to 30 sitting around at all times. So then they get hit for the rebuild and then spending money when I don't need to be. All right, we're going to get an upward momentum push. Let's get it. We're up like a couple $100 in our PA accounts right now. All the money you see is green. And then my month funded futures, which you can't really see, it is down 528 currently. 463, sorry. Oh, I see why you put that on there, Cave. I gotta change that to 80. Dun, dun, dun. Hard to keep up, isn't it? Do I even have any accounts to give away? Let me just look. I wish I could buy another contract. Chris Peters, been a slow day, everything consolidating from a big week of news. Tomorrow should be fun. Yeah, man, that was a wild week last week. Wild. I don't think I traded much last week, and I'm glad I didn't because, or I mean, I could have been glad I did if I would have done well, but I traded a little bit. But yeah, probably. We had a pretty good run up today. I caught some of it this morning. I was up like $500 funded today. But I like these consolidation moves though, because you can kind of guess the top and take a trade like what I'm doing now, guessing the bottom here. Planes, what's up, man? If I don't blow it tonight, I'll pass my first combine. Heck yes. If I had like a way to clap on the screen, I don't know which one it is, but there you go. That's awesome, man. Happy for you. That's probably the really long one that we don't like. I'll just turn it down just in case. One of them's pretty cool. There you go. Heck yeah, Planes, man. I'm glad. Happy to hear it. And what's his name? Vibes. He's been doing really well. Past two, my funded future evals. One more today on another trade day eval, stacking up funded. Heck yeah. That's from Vibes. Speaking of trade day, I need to put mine on there. I'm at 50,000 on this account. I need to step it up. Got my MacBook Pro in the truck, and tomorrow I'm going to trade on Tradeify. I'm going to set up my MacBook Pro and just group trade a few accounts, a couple accounts at a time. Funded and evals, but I'm going to catch the morning 9:30 opening bell. I might be able to do it live too. We'll see. Looks like we're still rejecting it VWAP. I'm thinking about taking a trade on my top step accounts here.
Order filled.
Just one contract. Long. Do we have any news coming out this week? I haven't even checked. All right, so today we had CPI. No, that was CHF. What is today? Monday? Yeah, the 4th. Tomorrow we have PMI, employment change, unemployment. Oh, that's NZD, New Zealand. But we do have one red folder at 10 a.m. And then Wednesday we have an orange folder. No, it's New Zealand dollar. We're pretty set for the week. No red folder. Cool. Planes, don't blow that account up, man. You got this. Take it easy. You can do it. We're up $100 right now on this account. Woo-hoo. I like what I see. I've been trading really good though, every day, which has been awesome. I've been very happy about it. Being able to see the market is pretty spectacular. I've just been 1 or 2 trades a day though, except for evals. I like to wait for these big, huge momentum pushes to the upside or downside, and then I was actually in a trade here. I don't know if you can see it. I was in a trade here, right here. Maybe that was my stop, but I think this was my entry. I was thinking we were coming down, but it went way against me, and then I thought about getting in, but I was too pissed off at this. So I almost caught this run to the downside. That was when I lost the amount I did on my funded futures. I was up 1,000, then I was down 1,000. All right, we're up 160 on the Top Step accounts now. Yeah, I'm pretty upset about blowing them up, but it is what it is. It is what it is.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is my trade day account. I need to hurry up and pass it too, so we'll go back to my funded futures. Still in a good trade right now. Got Top Step and my funded currently running. See if I can get this to cooperate. Does anyone know if there's a way to get rid of this but still have the part I need? The order. Sure would be nice. All right, market, keep going. Edgar Leon, regards fellow traders. I was up 1.5K, but 23,375 retracement cut me negative 500. Still alive. Hey, you're still alive. Yeah, just create 2 layouts. I don't know how to do that. It's a widget, and there are others you can move it or lose it. I'll probably play with it later. Add components, layout. I just want this part down here, just the order flow. I don't need the, or not the order flow, but the buy and sell button. And choose one for chart and one for order book. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. New layout. I get it. Okay. Alright, let's get rid of the DOM here. Cool, we'll save that. And I'll rename, let's see, that's default. Alright, cool. Order layout and default. That's fine. Perfect. Anybody else in this long position here? Appreciate it, Cave and Plains. Edgar, sorry for your loss, man. Hope you come back out. Come up ahead. We only need like $900 to pass these accounts here. Plains, I'm long. Heck yeah, man. I think it's the way to be right now. Hey, Cave, as soon as I get some more accounts, I'm gonna give you one, by the way. You won the giveaway, and I'd like to take care of you, man. You show up every day. If you come across a problem, just save it as a different name. Alright, I'll do that. And you're always helpful, man. As soon as I get some more, one of them's got your name on it. The one time you won the giveaway, you weren't here. Ain't that wild? Thanks for the account. I got plenty of time, man. Thanks. No problem, brother. Come on, Nasdaq. Push. All right, we're up 460 on the My Funded Futures and 240 on the Trade Day account. This is my first Trade Day account. I've never had one before, so just testing out different props. And it might be a good time to go ahead and start thinking about an exit. I'll put it at the bottom of this
Order filled.
wick there. Well, that was fast. Put it at the bottom of that one too.
Stop filled.
Yeah, she wants to come back down a little bit. Might retrace back down to here or the halfway point. Today's P&L is 660 on Top Step times 3, which is great. And then we have, these are good long still. Yeah, I think so too. I just wanted to see it retrace a little more maybe. I'm still in a trade, didn't even realize it on the other account.
Order submitted.
Maybe it'll stay. Let's put it at the bottom of the wick there. Maybe it'll keep going up. We'll see. Got about 30 minutes, give or take, and I'm getting my butt to bed. There's that retrace I wanted. Come on down a little bit further. Come on down a little bit further.
Order canceled.
Unless we lose VWAP. Yeah, of course. I'd like to see it trade low today overnight so that tomorrow I can trade long. Chris Peters, is Top Step a good firm? Yeah, I mean, I feel like they are. I used to judge Top Step a lot because of the 50% thing, but now I see why. So there are a few things that I don't agree with at Top Step, but overall, I mean, I feel like they paid me. I got actually got paid today from July 30. Let me just look real quick. It's my first account with Top Step, so let me just pull it up here so you can see it. But they paid their bill, that's for sure. 1 second. So payouts, I submitted it on July 30th, and then I got paid August 4th, and the money is already in my bank account. So I'd say 5 days until I got paid, but I mean, it's fine. I got paid, so I don't think they're a bad firm by any means. I think every firm has their pros and cons, and when you take out 50%, the reason why they say they do that is to kind of keep, so you don't take all your drawdown. But they let you don't have to reach the $3,000 mark too. That's the good thing about Top Step for people who, trade better than I do. You don't have to, look at that, I should have jumped in. And here we are at the 50% mark that I wanted to be in at. I'm going to go ahead and take it, maybe. But they let you take your payout you don't have to reach the $3,000 mark. But you should. You should definitely wait. I messed up and I didn't take that trade just yet. But you should definitely build that buffer. I should have waited on the payout. But I tell everybody else to take their payout, and I wanted to take a Top Step payout because I've never taken one before. So this is my first account with Top Step. We passed it, then got a payout inside of, good night, love you, less than 10 days, I think it was. I don't remember how many days it was, but approximately 8 or 9 days. I always take that payout, man. Nah, not this time. I need to take my time and build that buffer. No questions asked. You're crazy, man. For me, I have to build that buffer. On Top Step, I can't take the payout. On Apex, I can take the payout happily. Top Step, I can't. Top Step, it's 50% into the money. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Like I feel like I need to get to at least the $3,000, $4,500, maybe even $6,000 mark before I take any payout. Oh yeah, I can always pass an eval. They're easy. Thing is, I can wake up in the morning, put a 1 mini contract long or short, and just let it run all day, or until I reach the $3,000 mark. Another account, man, but I see what you're saying. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Once I took that payout, I only got $850 of my total amount. So I lost another $850. And blew my account. That's all it took, $850. I thought I still had my $500, $600 in drawdown past the zero mark, but I didn't. But Top Step has a 50% consistency, only 1,500 max on combines. No, there's no consistency rule on the express funded accounts. No consistency, only on the eval. 50% on the eval. What's up, Never Too Late? Welcome in. When you have a nice buffer, you just have to be disciplined enough to keep trading and stacking the account once you have the buffer. I guess nothing wrong with either option. Never too late, yo-yo. Yeah, I agree. I just want to build a significant amount before I start taking payouts. That's what I did before. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm always, like, in my mind, it messes with me mentally. So I have to just do what's best for me. But if you've never taken payouts and you reach your first payout, take the payout. Because you may never get it again. Well, you might, but if you can get it once, you can get it again. There's no doubt about it. No doubt at all. Are we going to come back down to test VWAP again? Jeez. I'm glad I waited on my Top Step account here. But I'm back to trading minis, so it won't take me long to build that buffer. I'm just looking for one good trade a day. One good trade. That's it. What's up, Diddy? How you doing, brother? While I'm on here, I'll get you that video. But I have to find it. There's quite a few. $780 profit. Damn. I can make a clip now. I did record these, but I didn't record them with my face in them. But you can make a video of a losing trade too, man. It ain't all about the winners. We show it win, lose, draw. Namai Prasad. Hey, brother. Long time no see. Talk. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Good to see your name. All right. We are one contract long currently, and we broke through VWAP, so I don't have a stop on this trade, so I might actually just put a stop or close
Order submitted.
because I'm a little concerned now that we're past VWAP here. Just a little bit. Give it a little time to bounce because could bounce and go back up. How many points did it go through last time? Quite a bit. I've been working long hours and haven't traded for about 2 weeks. Same here, man. I have traded every day, but not much. Few trades a day, which is actually really good for you. I miss like the market though. I miss my entries a lot. Feels great to be off the charts now. It's refreshing. Yeah, I understand, man. Maybe the bull market is over and this was a dead cat bounce. I don't know, man. Bull market's never over, is it? I feel like we're just gearing up to go further up. I don't know, though. Got a little bear flag playing out. Tell you what though, I've been trading a lot of support and resistance. Just like key levels when market reaches, goes up, comes back down. You know, just these little areas here, areas of interest. So it's coming down right now, and it's taking its time. Like it's taking its time before it's going back up again. But I feel like it's gonna come back up again. I'm not really liking NQ this year, man. I'm loving NQ. I remember watching NQ last year, May, June, July of last year, and wishing I could jump in, but I just didn't. I waited until it got a little cooler. I was too busy anyway. But this year, compared to last year, has been pretty wild. I wasn't even trading futures last year. I was watching them for sure. Michael Patak just posted, everyone that works at Top Step, aka Team Top Step, now has opportunity to trade in a combine and as a funded trader just like you all. Except of course we comp a free 50K each month. Comp a couple free resets with no activation at Top Step. The most bad a place to work. Well, that's cool. Giveaway. We are quite a bit away from the 50 likes, and I've got just a little bit of time left, and I'm going to bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy another contract. Whoa.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Buy 2 more contracts here and put my stop here. My bar timer's not working. I've been using supply and demand zone or SR as well. Yeah, it's whenever the market's real choppy, it works out really well. Slowly growing into it. Yeah, it does well when the market's chopping. I'm always looking for the big moves though, like when the market really pushes, like you see how many points is this? 74 50. So 20-point candle there, big one. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I want to see some big momentum before I jump in, but you just got to remember the market moves in waves, and catch a good wave, you can make some money. And you got to watch for like breakdowns. Like this is a good signal. We're coming down, a little hammer there, and then wicks goes up, tries to come back down, can't do it, and then goes back up again. So entry right here, boom. There's another bar, hammer, wick. There's always tall tale signs. I know this is a big wick too, but market still kind of traded sideways for a little bit. Then it eventually went down. I still feel like she's looking good to the upside. After hours moves in nice waves, slow and steady. Yeah. So a lot of times in market open, like let's say this is the market open right here. The market will zoom up, right? Let's say this is 9:30. Here's the opening bell right here. Boom. Market goes up, fake out, coming back down. I'm always waiting for that move down. If the market zooms up real fast and then comes back down most of that top candle, I'm jumping into a short, and I'm collecting $500. Another problem I have is when the market does do this, sometimes I'll catch it at the bottom and then it reverses. So got to be careful. I'm always trying to pay attention at that first sign of reversal. Huge difference compared to RTH. Is that real trading hours? Yeah, there's a big difference between New York Open and Tokyo for sure. Globex is slow. I think overnight, like when London session starts, it kind of gets a little better, but I'm never awake for that. I'm a wimp. I gotta get to bed. What's up, wifey? I'm coming in like 15 minutes. Doo, doo, doo. Come on, Nasdaq, push to the upside. My wife keeps calling Nasdaq Nesquik for whatever reason. Oh man. Oh yeah, here's that payout for whoever asked if Top Step was good. This is Top Step. It says Top Step Trader under the 850. Top Step Trader LLC. So they do pay their bills. I second guess myself and missing a nice reversal because I always wait for a retest. Yeah, I mean, the retest is the bottom. A lot of times I like to wait because it could come against you, like it did here, right? I'm thinking I'm a little early right here, but I don't remember where the line was when I got in. Maybe it was a little lower. I don't know, but price went against me. That's why you gotta have a nice stop. But now we're back up $100 and something when we were down. I don't even know how much we were down, but quite a bit. $200. I'm seeing almost 200. 325. We were down 325. Dang. Yeah, so I feel like a good number on overnight session is like $400 or $500, and then New York is more like 1,000. It moves so fast and so much. Edgar Leon nailed it. Congrats on Top Step payout. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Feel pretty good about it. It's my first time on Top Step. It was my first account and my first past account, and then my first funded account on Top Step and my first payout on Top Step, all with the same first account, which is awesome. I've never done that with any other prop firm. Never. I always blow my first accounts. But I'm a veteran trader now, and things are different. All right, we're up a whole $5. Nasdaq, I got 13 minutes, and I gotta get to bed. Frank DeVries, happy trading all. I'm logging off. See you, Frank. Good to hear from you, man. Appreciate you stopping in and saying hey. Ramon Lewis, Pinchy Hernandez. How much was the payout? I took an $850 payout. Wasn't a lot, but it was a payout. Here it is, right here. $850. I could have took $855, and now that I blew my account, I wish I would have took that extra $5 from Top Step. Just kidding. Promise. Nasdaq, you're really playing mind games here. She is slow to move the way she's supposed to move. I need to that don't be greedy with the payout. A little is better than nothing. Yeah, I agree. I just wish I would have built my buffer up a little more before taking the payout. Because ultimately, I did blow the account the same day I requested a payout. That's kind of embarrassing. That's the first time I've ever done that, too. First time I've ever taken a payout and blown my account on the same day. But the market, in my defense, was pretty crazy that day. And, yeah. I took a good trade, though. I don't care. I took a great trade. I took it a little too early. And my size was a little bit too much. Too quick. I scaled in. I was up on the trade. I remember scaling in and thinking, okay, we're gonna make a few $100 here, and then yeah, it was my fault. I should have set my stop to break even, to be honest with you. All right, this trade is gonna take forever. I'm going to set my take profit here. How many points is that? 342, 350, 10 points. I'm gonna log off in about 9 minutes, guys. 9 minutes. I'm probably gonna walk away and let this trade play out. Kind of set my stop to the low here. I might even set it at VWAP, to be honest with you. We'll just see how it goes between now and time to kick off. The only thing that concerns me right now is this kind of downtrend we're in. We are definitely sideways, but we're kind of down sideways, if that makes sense. Can you see the screen? Yeah, so lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, if it comes down. And we've gapped. So, did y'all see all those gaps earlier today on the 1 minute? Let's see. All of these gaps. There were so many at the start of the day. Here, look at that. I was watching that thinking, wow. Hang on, you can't even see it, can you? I don't think I've ever seen this many gaps at once. It's wild. Over and over again. And there were more, like, what time is this? 17, yeah. Here's no. Let's see. Here. They were everywhere. Literally everywhere. Are you going to reject it, VWAP, or what? Excuse me, sorry. The market was moving pretty good, and now it's just slowing down. My Prasad, all right, man, I'm about to head to bed as well. Good to see you. Likewise, have a good one. Appreciate you stopping in and saying hey. Looks like another rejection at VWAP. Let's see. I might lower my stop to about 50. Give it a 1-to-1 here. And then I'm going to head to bed. Look at that wick trade right there. Another one here. You can't even see it. Another one there. Come on, Nasdaq. Push, baby. Not that way.
Stop filled.
All right, we're one contract long now. Do I close it? Yeah, I'm gonna close
Order
it.
filled.
We're still good. Done really well tonight. Top step 660, and then 780 on Apex, 84 on another Apex, 56 on another Apex. I'm down like $400 on trade day, and then I'm down $250 on my funded futures. Not bad, not bad. Who was that? Let's see. Lisa and Bryant, welcome to the channel. Appreciate your support and subscription. Look at that gap to the upside. All right, I'm done. I'm getting out of here. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. We are up about $1,000 altogether. Actually, almost $1,500 altogether. Half of that being funded, of course. So, with that said, hope you have a good night. Be blessed and peace.